Your shipment is worth $200,000. Your customer needs it in 3 days. Ocean freight isn't an option. One mistake in air shipping, and your cargo never leaves the airport. That's why air freight is fast but unforgiving. Today, I'll show you exactly how international air shipping works step by step. When air freight actually makes sense. Different types of international air shipping, how air freight costs are calculated. Step-by-step air shipping process. Customs clearance and documents required. Common mistakes that delay air cargo. Let's start. Why air freight exists. Air freight exists for one reason, time. It is used when speed matters more than cost, or cargo value is high. Stockouts are expensive, or shelf life is short. Customers expect fast delivery. While air handles less volume, it carries over 1/3 of global trade value. Air freight is not expensive transport, but it's insurance against delay. Types of international air freight. 1. Express, courier air freight. DHL, FedEx, UPS. Small parcels, door-to-door. Customs included a highest cost, lowest effort. 2. Standard commercial air freight. Most common. Airport to airport, handled by freight forwarders, separate customs clearance, a best balance of cost and control. 3. Charter air freight. Emergency shipments, oversized cargo or project logistics, extremely expensive. Rule. If your shipment can wait, don't charter. When should you use air freight? Ask these questions. What is the cost of delay? What is the value-to-weight ratio? Will a stockout stop production? Is customer service at risk? If delay costs more than air freight, air is justified. Chargeable weight, the most misunderstood part. Air freight charges are based on chargeable weight, not actual weight. Formula. Volumetric weight, kilogram, equals L times W times H in cm, divided by 6,000. Chargeable weight equals higher of actual or volumetric. Example. Actual weight equals 80 kg, volumetric weight equals 120 kg. You pay for 120 kilograms. This is where many shippers get shocked by invoices. Key players in air freight. A shipper or exporter, consignee or importer, a freight forwarder, airline or ground handling agent, customs broker, customs authorities, aviation security. Air freight is a high coordination system with no room for error. Step-by-step air freight process. Step 1. Commercial agreement and Incoterms. Agree on price, delivery terms or Incoterms, EXW, FCA, Captain, CIP, DDP. Incoterms define who books air freight, who clears customs, or who pays duties. Wrong Incoterm equals wrong expectations. Step 2. Shipment planning. Determine dimensions and weight and nature of goods, DG, perishable, pharma, a required delivery timeline. This step decides aircraft type or cost compliance needs. Step 3. Rate inquiry and booking. Forwarders get rates from airlines. Rates include base freight rate, a fuel surcharge, a security surcharge, a handling charges. Once confirmed, space booked, a flight assigned, a cutoff times issued. Step 4. Export documentation. Prepared documents, commercial invoice, packing list, air export declaration, a DG declaration, if applicable. Air freight customs tolerance is 0. Step 5. Cargo pickup and airport handling. Cargo moves to airport, security screening, X-ray, ETD, weight and dimension checks, a ULD buildup. Unscreened cargo cannot fly. Step 6. Export customs clearance. Customs checks, HS code of value, export controls. Once cleared, cargo approved for loading. Step 7. Air transport and tracking. Cargo flies via passenger aircraft, belly cargo or freighter aircraft. Tracking via air waybill, AWB, or airline systems. Step 8. Import customs clearance. Importer files, import declaration at duties and taxes certificates. Customs may inspect. Once cleared, delivery order issued. Step 9. Final delivery. Cargo delivered or collected. Airport storage charges rise daily, fast clearance matters. Documents you must get right. Commercial invoice, packing list. Air waybill, AWB, export declaration. Import declaration, certificate of origin. DG declaration. Insurance certificate. Documents move cargo, planes don't. Common air freight mistakes. A wrong chargeable weight. Incorrect HS code, a missing DG declaration, a late booking. Poor packaging. Under insurance. Each mistake equals delay or rejection. Conclusion. Air freight is fast, reliable, expensive, highly regulated. It is a strategic supply chain decision, not just transport. Mastering air freight means fewer delays or lower risk, happier customers or stronger global operations. If this helped you, like the video. Subscribe for deep supply chain content. Comment what part of air shipping confuses you the most. Join our membership. You will get to break down supply chain problems and their database solutions with real-world frameworks every week. Till then, keep optimizing. Thanks for watching.